Okay, who am I joined with?
Harrison.
Django.
And today we're going to be looking at the submissions that you guys put for Grind Our Gears. Since, you know what? I think it's important to listen to our own students, right? First of all, we have... When you don't join the wrestling team? Are you guys in wrestling?
No.
Who cares?
Are you in wrestling? He's in wrestling. If you guys like wrestling, I guess you can join the wrestling team, right? I'm not going to, but...
Yeah, no. Who does?
People farting while I'm walking up the stairs. Is this a problem?
No.
Have you...
I love when
Never
that happens.
noticed.
In my 18 years of walking up... Okay, I haven't been walking up 18 years. I probably had like 2 years where I didn't. But point is, I don't think I've ever had this problem. Have you?
No.
Nope.
Slow AZ walkers. Oh, wait, we already talked about that one last episode. Yeah, we already discussed that one.
Push them out of the way.
Huge line cutters, 2 is the limit. I think no is the limit. You think there's a limit for murder? You think somebody murders, goes,
Exactly.
oh, I have 2, that's the limit. No.
No.
Rules are rules, 0.
That's a point. Yeah, that's a point.
That's what grinds my gears, actually. Me not having any riz with the ladies. Maybe the reason why the ladies aren't coming to you is because they're saying hubba hubba. Okay, Felix Ramirez said, when people don't bring their own chargers, phone, or Chromebook. Oh my god, this annoys me.
Yeah.
I have my own charger, and like, I swear to God, I feel like Mother Teresa donating my battery. Like, I swear to God. Bring your own battery for
I
you,
don't
but
bring my
still.
charger. I'm sorry.
How teachers won't just get up and teach instead of handing us a freaking packet. Oh my god, this grinds my gear. This is relatable, okay? You know, some kids don't learn like that. They need to learn face to face. When I can't find any shields in OG Fortnite. Okay, we're going to the next one.
No, wait, that's reasonable. That's
Is that reasonable?
That's reasonable. That's
Is that
reasonable?
reasonable?
That grinds my gears.
Eh,
Does that grind? What about you?
not really.
Nobody asked you, Harrison.
Shut up.
I asked. That's what grinds
But
my
I
gears. But I did.
But I didn't.
Who has the mic? Who has the hot mic? That's what grinds my gears.
Yes, sir.
When Mr. Beast doesn't invite me to win money. I know.
Exactly.
I know. Come to our school. Give us free tests.
I
I don't want
deserve
to
the
test
money.
actually. Give us free money. Look, this guy's right on the money. See what I did there? Oh Jesus,
I'm
this
not.
one. Okay, Gail. Is that how you say it? I'm sorry if I'm butchering that.
It's Gaia. It's Gaia.
Okay, let's read
It's
this.
Gaia.
When I stub my toe and my cat laughs at me. Cats can laugh?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't
When
know.
my cat claws me painfully. When an important assignment for every class is due on a Friday or something.
Oh, like me.
That's not that bad. Like,
I mean, due on a date.
Due on
doesn't
a
seem,
Friday.
that doesn't seem like, oh, how dare they assign a due date?
due on Friday. That's not that bad.
My bad. The previous one needs to be reworded. Oh, I feel honored. When something important for almost every class is happening on the same day. Okay, that's understandable.
Yeah, that's.
They reiterate.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I hate it when like one day I have like 20 tests for like different classes. It sucks. Slow walkers are people who block the hallways / 3rd Street to talk to their friends, like move to the side and not block people who are trying to get to class on time. This is valid. Okay.
Exactly.
Guess what? What if I'm up on 3rd Street and then I have to get to IT? But guess what? Oh, you want to talk with your friends. Hey, ever heard of a cellular device? You can do that right here. Modern technology. Why do you think Jeff Bezos exists? So we can do this. I don't know why I said Jeff Bezos. You get the point. People who don't know personal space and people who walk slow. Walk slow. I think this is a current theme. We just don't like slow walkers. I think if you're the slow walker, you're the minority. You need to stop walking slow and walk fast with the rest of us. Because guess what? That's like 3 that we already seen that say slow walkers.
Just grow long legs.
I like this guy. When people fart in front of you on the stairs.
I told you-
Why is this a problem? I swear, this is the twice. Never in my 20-year career of being a human have I ever had a problem where I'm walking up a stairs and the person in front of me farts. That's never been a problem for me. Maybe you just have a really strong nose. Maybe you're smelling yourself because you smell. I don't know. But the point is, this is not a problem. I don't know why 2 different people submitted this.
You haven't lived until you smelled a stair fart.
Okay. I guess I'm dead.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's the end. So, do you think those are good submissions? Do you guys think those are valid?
Only the slow walker one.
So what? Yeah. Anyway, that was grind my gears. If you guys have any more submissions, put in the link right here. We're probably not going to do a full segment like this again, but we'll probably have it in our news videos still. Anyway, that's it for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed it, like and subscribe to the channel. Wait, there's a channel. Yeah, there's a channel. Anyway, with that being said, go Wars!